Before the piston pushes, before the crank turns, there is only potential. A block of raw iron, waiting to be forged into the very heart of the industrial age. Today, we reveal the unseen assembly of a steam engine, a symphony of fire, water, and steel. Every steam engine begins with a furnace and a heart of steel, the boiler. The firebox, a forge of immense heat, transforms fuel into energy. This heat is then meticulously channeled through tubes surrounded by water to build the immense pressure that will drive our machine. This is where the force is born. Now the pulse of the engine. The piston, a perfectly machined cylinder, is fitted into its chamber. It is here, in this enclosed space, that the superheated steam will expand, converting raw pressure into linear motion. This is the moment kinetic energy is created. With the pulse established, we build the limbs. The piston's reciprocal push and pull is translated into rotary motion through a series of precision-engineered rods and a massive crankshaft. Each joint, each bearing, is a critical link in the chain that converts raw force into controlled rhythmic power. The circuits are complete. The machine breathes. This is the moment raw materials become a testament to human ingenuity. If you are captivated by this intricate process, do us a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more unseen assemblies of engineering marvels. It helps us continue to bring you this type of content. What powerful system should we build next? Let us know in the comments below.